articulated cat. This is a short product spotlight, product spotlight of the articulated cat take home and assemble yourself design pack number 2. This pack is available through my website and also has been created in mind for me and other people with or without a physical or visible disability. And with this design pack, similar to the design number 1, is where you have the different colored cards I've created and you put it together as an articulated cat, and you have the pin fasteners here that you can put the cat together